Troops, good afternoon. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever company merch, close up sa shape up. Para alam nyo kung ano ng mga Unilever company merch sa mga grocery stores pag bumili kayo. Ito po sila. Meron tayong twin pack close up gel toothpaste, all freshness, red hot, antibacterial mouthwash formula. Available po siya sa 6 pieces, 2 times 10 grams, made 12. Next, meron din tayong close up menthol fresh gel toothpaste, all day freshness. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong close up all around fresh, cleans deeply, leaves plaques, combats cavities, spice germs, and refresh mouth. Colman anti-cavity, antibacterial cleansing crystal gel. All around fresh. Unilever po yan. Available po yan sa mga grocery stores, most grocery stores, o kahit sa mga tindahan. Yung close up sachet, close up red hot, Unilever po yan. Close up sachet menthol fresh, and close up sachet Colment. Ginawa ko tong video na to para alam nyo kung ano-ano mga iba't pang uri ng Unilever company merch. So that's it for today's Unilever company merch videos. Close up sachet, red hot, menthol fresh, and Colment. Available din po yung close up, yung tube na Colment, tube bottle Colment, value twin pack, 2 times 191 grams. That's it for today's Unilever company merch videos. Respect, always rise, never give up. Thank you for watching. God bless us all always.